Here we go again. Okay, let's go. Guys, nandito na ako. Again, I'm back in Lithuania at ngayon pa lang ako nag-start mag-chika sa vlog kasi yung mga nauna na kanina nang nasa Turkey and Istanbul ako, hindi pa ako nagsichika. Kaya ngayon pa lang kasi hinihintay ko yung luggage and wala akong magawa. And hinihintay na ako ni Robbie sa labas. Oh my God. Here we go again. Exit na tayo, guys. Hanapin ko na yung exit. Nasaan yung exit? Ito. Exit. Ay. Oh my God, ang hirap. Ang hirap magtulak. Ah! Okay. Here we go. Saan na kaya siya? Saan ko siya hahanapin? Dito sa Arrivals. Tawagan natin siya. Babe, where should I find you? I'm outside na. Me? Okay, let's go. Hi guys! Eto na, finally mag-vlog na tayo kasi nung mga nakaraan nag-settle in muna ako and hindi ko pa muna naasikaso mag-vlog. But today is, eto na, isa-start na ulit natin mag-vlog. Okay? So, ayan, naka-makeup ako kasi gumawa ako ng mga content kanina for TikTok, IG, ganon. At eto na, it's time to cook kasi, anong oras na ba? It's 12:36 and si Robbie, nasa, work. So, ako naman ay nandito, mag-start na ako sa mga lulutuin namin for lunch. Actually, tinutulungan naman niya ako magluto. Pero, ako yung nagpe-prepare, ganon. Ako yung nagre-ready ng mga stuff. Anyway, guys, update. Maulap dito. My God. Kaya wala hindi rin ako lumalabas masyado. Ayan, ganyan yung weather. Ang ganda nga ng itsura dito sa sa video. So, yan yung mga harapan namin ng mga building. Yan yung mga parking, ganon. But, yeah, ganito siya everyday. I mean, okay lang. Sanay naman na ako kasi nung mga nakaraan na nandito ako for the holidays. Which is 2023. Actually, noon nga, nagsisnow eh. Ngayon, hindi pa masyadong full blast yung lamig. So, wala pang snow. Pero sobrang lamig na. It's 2 degrees today. At night, it gets up to -3. Mga ganon sa gabi and sa madaling araw. So anyway, ayun lang naman yung update ko. Nandito na kami. I've been here for 2 days. So yung 2 days na yun, dinedicate ko for settling down, adapting. Ayun lang. Also guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo to. Meron kaming, tada! Air fryer. Gift to ng parents niya sa kanya kasi daw mahilig na daw siya magluto. Binigyan siya ng air fryer and ginagamit namin siya every day. So ako first time ko makagamit ng air fryer at siya din, it's both our first time to use the air fryer and wala. Ito na yung gamit namin every day. Lunch, dinner, ganon. Air fryer na. Maglalasanya kami kasi mayroon akong ground beef at bumili din ako ng mga lasagna pasta. Nung nakaraan, nung nag-grocery kami and I will have to marinate some chicken breasts. And meron din akong pork sausage dyan. Baka pwede kong i-mix dun sa meat ng lasagna. Hindi ko alam. Ito na lang yung natira. I forgot to vlog kasi kumain na kami diretsyo. But obviously, masarap siya.
I don't want to imagine one minute more than necessary.
It doesn't work again?
Why are you here?
No.
No? This week?
Trust Bria.
No.
Oh, obviously comes without charge.
Morning! So this is our first day of vlogging. I've been here for how many days na babe? 10 days? Has it been 10 days?
10 or 11, yeah.
Yeah, ang bilis ng panahon, guys. So, tapos na ang Christmas Eve and everything. We've been so busy celebrating Christmas and Christmas Eve with his family and, you know, doing things. So, ngayon lang kami nagka-chance mag-vlog. And right now, it's, what time is it? Time check! What?
10 to 11.
10:50. Okay, so we are going for a little walk here around the area.
Because we have a long drive today.
Yeah. Pupunta kami sa Utana kasi meron silang basketball game. We decided to take the car and drive going there. I don't have too much of update for all of you, but it's been cold. Kaya tingnan nyo naman, oh. I am well prepared. Look at me. Ibang-iba na from how I used to be back in 3 years ago when I first came here to Europe.
You were shivering.
I was shivering, and yung mga dinadala ko noon ng mga like this, mga jackets and everything was not made for this kind of temperature and weather. So, lagi akong nilalamig. But now, look at me! 2 layers in the bottom, 3 layers on top, 1 winter hat. What about you? How many layers do you have right now?
Hat, jacket, 2 layers under,
Uh-huh.
and pants.
And pants. And your winter shoes too. You're wearing your winter boots. Okay, I'm gonna tell them that before, I thought, ganito yung weather, di ba? Tapos, coat. I thought it was normal to still shiver.
Yeah.
Yun pala hindi. Yun pala, kapag naka-coat kang ganito, you're not supposed to feel cold.
You're supposed to feel warm when you walk inside indoors.
Ayun. Yun pala yun. Are we gonna say it as a travel tip for anyone who's going to 2-degree weather or -3, -5 weather?
Come prepared.
Like here, you come prepared, and tip is, you're not supposed to feel cold when you're wearing this. Okay? That was stupid of me back then. Thinking that if you're wearing a jacket, maybe 2 layers inside, you would still shiver, and that's okay. Hindi pala. So now, look at me, I look like an Eskimo. But it's good because I feel comfy, and I feel warm walking, taking this walk. So,
And gorgeous.
aw, thank you, babe. Kiss. Mwah. Ayan, no. Buti na lang, dinala ko din to.
Kilig.
Ha? Kilig. Today is a gorgeous day. Papakita ko sa inyo kung saan kami nag-walk. This is where we always walk, guys. Every time. Dito lang sa kanila to. Yung bahay niya, sobrang lapit lang. Diyan, oh. Ano na yan? Dagat. That's the sea. And then, nice walking pavement, whatever you call this, street. And the trees, nature. This is like 5 minutes away from your house, babe.
Yeah.
I like it. That's what I really love where we are. You get the nature, you get nice walking streets or roads. You can bike, you can walk. They make people walk here. Do you have any cuento for them?
Cuento?
Yeah? Story?
Yeah, we met the fox.
That was the other night. So the other night, we were walking to his parents' house for Christmas Eve party. We were walking, and then merong fox sa harapan namin. And then I asked him, is it gonna bite? And then what did you tell me?
If it's sick, it can attack you.
Yeah.
But that one looked scared, so
Ayun lang pang mga
you can
updates.
hear the sea.
I don't know if they can hear. Can you hear the sea? The waves? Ah,
Well,
ang
you
lakas.
have to be quiet for a moment.
Okay, anyway, I will show you guys there at the beach when we get there, okay? It's just a few minutes away na.
Want to fast forward?
Okay. Okay, eto na. We're in the car kasi merong basketball game yung team ni Robbie. So, we have to drive 3 hours and 44 minutes. Pero nandito kami sa gasoline station to buy stuff na kailangan. Kaya siya lumabas. But anyway, ito papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga dinala ko kasi nagdala ako ng mga baon, guys. Oh, see? Ayan yung mga baon ko. Nagdala ako ng chips. Ito, nagdala ako ng pain reliever because meron akong period. Magdala ka niyan para hindi na kayo problema kung saan maghanap ng mga ganyan-ganyan. Some dark chocolates in case I crave something sweet. My hair tie. Oh, ito, dinala ko yung aking tripod. Just in case may picture ang magaganap. My perfume for the day. This is the Lancome Idol in mini size. Diba? Convenient. What else is here? Makeup. Pang retouch. Of course. Ayan sila, oh. Mga lip gloss, lip balm. Kailangan natin to kasi napakalamig at napaka-dry ng air. Powder, pang retouch. Yan, mare. And then, yun na, my wallet. And then, water, Aquile. And we have a bigger water pa. Ha!
Hoy!
You did? You
How
see?
can I say no to you?
Aww. And you were saying like, no, not anymore. Babe, thank you. Binilhan niya ako nung maple pastry na gustong gusto ko sa Circle K. Oh, I remember we had a vlog before and I tasted this. I don't know if they remember that, but we had a vlog before na sabi ko sa inyo, okay, tingnan natin yung maple pastry sa Circle K and eto na naman, it's a full circle moment. But we're not tasting it anymore because I already know how it tastes like. Ayan, already ready kami. Naka-puffer jacket. I don't know why I did not remove my puffer jacket because it's getting warm na here inside the car.
We'll still stop there.
We're gonna eat in or are we gonna eat in the car in the Hesburger?
We can eat there.
We can eat there? Like real quick? Okay. Ang lunch namin is Hesburger. It's like McDo here. But it's their own brand of burger. Later, papakita ko. But now, kasi it's still a 30-minute drive to the Hesburger. Eto, merong munang pa-pastry si Kuya. Uy! Why didn't you get your tea? The warm tea?
I'm okay. I'll get coffee later.
Coffee daw. Me too. I think I deserve a coffee today. And it's still early, so it's okay. So, okay, ito na. Kainin natin yung ano. Ala! This is a new car, so I don't want to get all the crumbles. So, I'm gonna be very, very careful. But, I don't know where to put them. Here, I'm gonna put you guys here. O, dyan kayo. Bahala kayo dyan. So, oh my God! Babe, there's snow. There's snow na. La! Snow. Hala. So guys, as you can see, nag-start na palang mag-snow. Hindi ko na malayan. Ngayon lang na lumabas na kami. Ngayon ko lang nakita na nag-snow na pala. And ewan ko kung I'm snow ready. Pero I have 3 layers on. Thermal, another layer, and then my North Face jacket, which is gift ng aking jowa for me. And then, I brought my scarf. Buti na lang dinala ko tong scarf ko. Yun nga lang, hindi ko dinala yung aking snow hat. It would have been perfect kasi that would protect my ears and my head. Although, ito naman, kaya naman nito. Itong scarf ko kasi thick naman siya. But, finally, my God, thank you, Lord. Mag-snow na dito sa amin. Pero, alam nyo, accurate yung weather report. Kasi, today, was it today or tomorrow, talaga yung prediction na magsusnow na. And, ayan, tama nga. Nag-snow na nga. Ayan o, guys. So, parang, papakita ko sa inyo. Wait. Kaya ba i-zoom in to? Ayan o. I-zoom in ko. Ayan yung mga pinaka-first layer nung snow. Ayan nga. May mga snow pa dito na dumikit sa car. Ayan ang mga ice yung mga yan. At yung mga trees, may mga sumasabit na ng mga ice sa mga branches. So, magte-take na yan. Did you get what you were looking for, babe? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm telling them about the snow. That the weather report predicted that it was gonna be tomorrow.
Tonight.
Tonight? Is it Tuesday today? Yeah. And then, when did they say that it's gonna get thick? Babe, you know, if it's gonna be thick snow na, it's gonna be so nice to go in the park. Are we gonna go if ever?
Yeah.
The one with the lake. But you can't really see it. But this one, it's so cold and it's so thick. Oh, I have to show you the temperature right now. There, the temperature is -1.5. By the way, guys, kaya kami lumabas is we are going out for dinner, and this is his idea of dinner tonight. What are we gonna have for dinner, babe?
Sushi.
We're gonna have sushi for tonight kasi daw, so that I can have some soup, the miso soup, and also I also miss Asian food na, so we're gonna get sushi. What are you thinking to get?
Sushi too.
Sushi? You're not thinking to get sashimi or ramen? Okay. Sige. Ay, doon. There's the sushi master. Taitanese, the Thai place that we love, but expensive. And then, that was the Mexican place as well. Walking in a winter wonderland. We are walking na. Okay, we're here. This is where we're going. Look. Oh, ang ganda, oh. Guys, mission failed. Yung restaurant na pinuntahan namin is magko-close na in 2 hours. Tapos, merong 40-minute waiting time. And wala na silang salmon. So now, our plan is to just go to the groceries and buy our dinner, and we'll just cook our dinner at home alone with a full makeup on. I did my makeup for this. Look a lot like Christmas.